bullish and bearish divergence on the RSI indicator, one of the strongest tools that you can have in your trading arsenal. Today, I'm going to show you how to use this indicator to milk the market for maximum gains. My name's Matt. This is Boys Crypto. Let's dive into the charts. We've got Bitcoin here pulled up on the daily. Let's add this indicator to our chart, baby. We're going to come up here to indicators on TradingView and type in RSI. That is the relative strength index. And once you click that, you are going to get the RSI indicator on your screen with the default settings as you want it. Down here, we have purple and yellow lines crossing each other with a indicator over here that ranges from the negative millions to the positive millions. But all we care about is that 0 to 100 range. The fair value is going to be between the 30 and the 70 mark. The 30 and the 70 mark represented by these white lines here. The white line in the middle represents 50, the middle between 30 and 70 up here, which is the beginning of your overbought region. Whenever you're above 70, you are going to be overbought on the charts. Overbought on the charts. Whenever you are below 30, that refers to you being oversold on the charts. Any deviation up into these zones does indicate in the near term that there may be some kind of cool off or some kind of pump in the event we come down to this oversold area in the opposite direction of where the RSI currently sits. Whenever you're oversold, you're likely to pump out. Whenever you're overbought, you're likely to pull back a little. The RSI is a great tool and a great indicator, and we're going to dive into divergence and how you can begin calling reversals on your charts today to catch these juicy trades. Divergence occurs whenever there is a difference in the RSI indicator comparatively to price when it comes to higher highs and higher low market structure, or lower low, lower high market structure. So right here, we do have a difference in the RSI and the price action, where we are making a lower low here on the Bitcoin. This is the daily chart on Bitcoin, while we are making a higher low on the RSI. The RSI tells us that the sell-off here that has been going on since the middle of January may be losing momentum and the bulls may be taking back control. The RSI indicator is a leading indicator of price action. Price action loves to follow the RSI indicator. So this is showing me that we are likely to crack this high up here, as stated by the bullish divergence. Before we crack this low, we made a lower low while we made a higher low in the RSI. The price action is likely to chase the RSI indicator, which is currently making higher lows and higher highs, which has not been shown yet here on the Bitcoin chart. So Bitcoin likely to crack that $95,000 level before cracking the $76,000 level, as stated by the bullish divergence. For bearish divergence, let's take an example from when we were trading up near that $100,000 level. Here we go, bearish divergence. We are, instead of making a lower low on price action and a higher low on the RSI, we're going to be looking for a higher high in price action here, a higher high in price action, while we're making a lower high here on the RSI. Very slight lower high, but you can see this line does trend down. Look how my line is horizontal. This is a downward trending line. That is a bearish divergence to a T, suggesting that before we break this high here, we are going to crack this low. Yes, this low, this wick down here at about $90,000. And zooming over, we could see that we did indeed, with this wick right here, right here, we validated this bearish divergence here on the 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin. We cracked this $90,000 level before we went to break that 108,000 all-time high, baby. That's bearish divergence and how it works, how you can add this to your trading arsenal. You don't want to be longing up here when bearish divergence is screaming in your face. Look at the danger that presents, the danger that presents to your trade setup whenever you're staring bearish divergence in the face. Something to keep on your radar. Bearish divergence, baby, works the same as bullish divergence. Higher highs on price action with lower highs on the RSI indicator. Let me let you in on a little secret. Shh. there's not just bullish and bearish divergence, there is also hidden bullish and hidden bearish divergence. As indicated by the name, it is much harder to see, and as a zoomed out trader, a trader that likes to look at things on the macro time frame, these divergences can tell us if we are likely to continue in a trend or if a trend is likely to fail. So Bitcoin here on the daily is displaying a hidden bullish divergence, creating a higher low here on the daily macro while we are resetting on the RSI indicator, making a lower low on the RSI indicator. As you notice, there's a lot more space here on the RSI to run to the upside, suggested based off of the hidden bullish divergence that we are going to crack the all-time high here at 110,000 before we were to come back down here to where that hidden bullish divergence began, down at $66,000. Very likely for Bitcoin to reverse here based off of the hidden bullish divergence and the daily regular bullish divergence that are glaring in the charts right now, screaming for a reversal. Bullish and bearish divergence, hidden bullish and hidden bearish divergence. Bearish divergence, just the opposite way, right? You make a lower high while you're making a lower high on price action while you're making a higher high on the RSI indicator. Very important tools to have in your arsenal whenever you're making any trading or investing decisions. Thank you everyone for watching this bullish bearish divergence tutorial using the RSI indicator. My name's Matt. I stream every single night at 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Come on in and join, ask your trading questions, drop your favorite altcoins, drop your questions in the chat. I would love to hear from you. I'd love to see you at the stream. Drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. I am here for you guys. Until next time, Boys Crypto is out.